In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a glow effect for thumbnails in Canva. Whether you're looking to make your thumbnails pop or just add some flair to your design, this glow effect can be a game changer. Let's dive in and take it step by step. First, head over to Canva's website. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account if you're not already signed in. You can do this by simply clicking on the Login button at the top right corner of the page. After that, you'll need to continue with any login prompts to get to the main dashboard. You might need to select your Google account if that's how you've previously set up your Canva login. This is a quick and seamless process, and once completed, you'll be ready to start creating. Now that you're in Canva, locate and open the project you want to work on, specifically the thumbnail where you'd like to add that striking glow effect. Once your project is open, go ahead and click on the specific element within your thumbnail that you want to enhance. This could be anything, a text box, an image, or any other graphic element you have on your design. Next, look for the Edit option. This is typically located at the top of your Canva workspace once you've selected an element. Clicking on Edit will open up a range of modification options that Canva offers. From there, navigate to the Effects tab, which houses a series of features you can apply. Under Effects, you'll find the Shadows section. Click on that to explore various shadow effects. Here's where the magic happens. In the Shadows options, find and click on the Glow effect. This will apply a gentle outer glow to your selected element, giving it that eye-catching highlight. You can further customize this effect by adjusting the size. Larger sizes will give a more pronounced halo around your element, making it stand out even more. But don't stop there. Customize the glow to match your design's theme. Head over to the color options to pick a hue that complements your design. The flexibility of choosing different glow colors really allows your creativity to come through. Play around with it until you find the perfect match. Lastly, don't forget to adjust the intensity of your glow. This feature lets you control how vivid or subtle the glow appears, offering an additional level of customization. Once you're satisfied with all these adjustments, your glow effect is complete and your thumbnail is ready to grab attention. And there you have it. A simple yet powerful way to add a glow effect to your Canva thumbnails. This not only enhances your project visually, but also makes it stand out in a crowd. Thanks for watching and happy designing.